And the girls were not pleased. Me being the girls.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today we here to, y'all see the title of the video. So I'm not gonna make this intro long. I'm gonna go ahead and say my piece, and then we're gonna get into the swatches. I'm on IG and I'm scrolling, looking at stuff, and I see this picture on the explore page from Coco Swatches, and I'm like, dang, these glosses look bomb. Y'all already know my beef with NYX because Cinnamon Roll Intense Butter Gloss was like chef's kiss, and they took that away from us. And the girls were not pleased. Me being the girls. If y'all been watching my channel for a minute, then y'all know every single look that I was doing, especially if it was a look that had gloss, it was always the Cinnamon Roll Intense Butter Gloss. Every time it would cross my mind, I would tweet them. If I would see their pictures or their posts on my feed, I would be like, so about Cinnamon Roll Intense Butter Gloss? What are we doing? Are we bringing her back? Like, do y'all need me to get in the lab to cook it up for y'all? Because I need my gloss back. So I didn't even read the caption. I just looked at the pictures and I was like, wow, these are beautiful. I doubled back. It says new butter gloss shades. And if you haven't heard, Cinnamon Roll is back. I go straight to Target and I'll insert the clip here.
Hey, yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the lethal? I'll be undressed in the bra all see-through. While you count your jewels, thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Keep your stone sets, I got my own baguettes. And I'll be doing things that you won't regret. Little Kim the queen bee, so you best take heed. Shall I proceed? Yes, indeed. I'ma throw shade if I can't get paid. Blow you up to your girl like the
I surely did grab all the cinnamon roll that Target had in stock, and every time I remember to come to Target, I'm taking every last one. NYX will not play with me. Like, I'm so excited.
Because when I tell y'all it has been a long time coming, I can't even think of how long it's been discontinued. Like, I used to buy cinnamon roll in bulk. I'm trying to find the one that I have now. I used to buy cinnamon roll in bulk. Like, I still have an intense butter gloss cinnamon roll. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna save that for last because I want to see how it compares to the intense butter gloss versus just a regular butter gloss formula, if the shade is the same, all of that good stuff. But I am going to show you guys all the glosses that I have, and I am going to let you guys know how I feel about the new cinnamon roll formula compared to the OG. I purchased 8 lip glosses in the shade Lava Cake, Caramel, Butterscotch, Fudge Me, Brownie Drip, and then the 3 cinnamon roll glosses that I picked up. So the first one I'm gonna try out is the darkest one, and it is a Lava Cake. Let's see here. This smells good too. So Lava Cake is extremely just chocolate. It's a beautiful brown shade. I feel like this gloss, it's pretty on its own, but I think it would look really, really, really good with hot chocolate from Fenty Beauty to give that extra sparkle and plumpness. So I like her. I'm not gonna return it. I think that she's cute. I don't know that this will be the gloss that I grab every day, but it definitely serves its purpose, especially if I want to give the girls, a little quick little 90s R&B moment, because y'all know I am stuck in the 90s. So this is Lava Cake. The next shade I'll be trying out will be Brownie Drip. Okay, yeah, I can already see Brownie Drip is gonna be my girl, so I will be doubling up on her at Target. Like this, when I tell you this is like, let me finish. Okay. So I really love Brownie Drip. A monochromatic gloss like this is like perfect for me. This gloss is so beautiful. The formula feels the same as all the other butter glosses, so it's definitely nice and wearable. It's not sticky, but I really love like a complexioned based gloss because it just makes everything just look so natural and just like your lips but better. So I really do like this. The next shade I'll be trying out is Caramel, and it's a little bit lighter than Brownie Drip. So I'm really excited to see how this one wears because this shade I immediately gravitated towards, obviously outside of Lava Cake because y'all know I love a dark lip. Okay, I like this. This reminds me a lot of Honey Waffles by Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb Cream. This is kind of the way that Honey Waffles looks when I wear it with Cocoa Lip Liner. So I really do like this, and obviously whenever I run out of that Gloss Bomb Cream or I don't feel like spending, you know, $19 on some lip gloss, I can just go to my local Target, grab a little Caramel, and we can call it a day. And every single gloss that I'm trying on that I absolutely love, I'm definitely going to Target to buy more from my kit so that way I can have them in stock, because this is another really nice complexion based gloss. The next gloss I'm going to be trying out is Fudge Me, and it is a little bit lighter than Caramel. Oof. Okay, yeah, I have to get some more of this Fudge Me. These smell really good too, by the way. I think maybe if I went with like a browner liner, like, y'all, Fudge Me is a perfect nude, like, oh my god. Let me put this over the liner. This gloss is beautiful, y'all. Like, I really haven't tried one yet that I don't love. I would say, like, out of the 4 that I have tried so far, my least favorite right now is Lava Cake. And that's on account of me just like not wearing that gloss every day. But every single shade that I've tried so far has been beautiful. Like, this gloss is so pretty. The last shade before I try Cinnamon Roll is Butterscotch. I think that this one is going to be another really pretty one too as well. Okay, yeah, this is more of like a pinky nude. Oh yeah, you can see how pink that is. I need to shade my lip. This is pretty. So I'm gonna tell y'all what this reminds me of. The other Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, I think is in Fenty Glow. So that's the second one that's reminding me of this. Caramel and then Butterscotch are really good dupes if you guys don't have $19 to spend on a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb creams. Definitely pick up Butterscotch and then Caramel if you want to get that same look, but obviously keep really about $14 and some change in your pocket. And now, what I've been waiting for, to see if this cinnamon roll can hold up against this cinnamon roll. This is the OG, this is the new formula. First things first, I'm gonna swatch the OG gloss on the back of my hand just to kind of compare, and I'm gonna do that one at the bottom. So this is the OG gloss shade, and now I'm going to swatch the new formula and see what it looks like. I don't know how well this is coming across on camera, but this is the OG shade and this is the new one. So off top, I can already tell the new formula is a little more cool and it's a lot lighter. So we're gonna see exactly how it looks on the lips, and then I will find a picture that has this one on here and insert it so you guys can, you know, do a little compare and contrast. No, it's looking real familiar, you guys. Y'all, NYX is back in my good graces. When I tell you this is very reminiscent of my Intense Butter Gloss, the only thing that I can say is that the formula might have been a little more rich. This is the old one, and it's blending right in with the color of the new one. So now that makes me wonder if like NYX thickened the original just butter gloss formula kind of the way that the Intense Butter Gloss formula was a little thicker, because it literally feels the same. The only like visible difference I can tell is that the original Intense Butter Gloss formula has more of like a mauve-ish, like a dark mauve undertone, and the new one is just a little bit lighter. But other than the way that they look compared with the gloss, like it's legit the same. And also, you know what? It might just be the fact that I've always used this gloss with a liner. So it might be some, you know how when you put gloss over lip liner, the doe foot applicator gets stained with it. So it really might be the same shade. It's probably just my liner that's been mixed with it. But y'all, like, it's back, okay? I need all my brown girls. If you have not found your perfect nude shade, I don't care if you're light skin, dark skin, red bone, yellow bone, this cinnamon roll gloss looks good on all of us. I went and bought every single one that Ulta had the first time I came across this, which is why I still have some of the original cinnamon roll glosses, but NYX brought it back. After, you know, I think y'all might need to clap for me, because I was probably the main person that harassed NYX, but cinnamon roll is back, y'all. Go to Target, drop that little $4.99 and stock up on your cinnamon roll before they play in our face again and take it away. The best gloss, hands down. Out of this whole lineup, I would definitely have to say that my favorite was Caramelt. Bleh, words, they mean things. Caramelt. I loved Fudge Me. Fudge Me was so bomb. And then also Butterscotch and obviously cinnamon roll. I know that there are some other shades. I just kind of picked around them. I just wanted to make sure that I had every single, you know, cinnamon roll they had in stock, so that way I would be stocked up. So I'm actually gonna run to Target today, and if there are any other shades that I left, I'll probably just post it on Instagram as a reel, which reminds me, follow the kid on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up there, which means I need to be posting more content. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. To my new subscribers, I see you guys. I know y'all probably like, damn, like this girl is real inconsistent, but I'm trying to be better. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.